Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for all things green, creative, and beautiful. Today, we are sharing some incredible inspiration with our guide, Easy DIY Garden Art Ideas, 15 stunning garden wall crafts from Twigs and Twine. You will learn how to transform simple organic materials gathered from your backyard into gorgeous masterpieces for your outdoor space. If you love budget-friendly crafting, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly inspiration. This elegant sunburst design brings a warm celestial energy to any outdoor accent wall. By radiating varying lengths of straight twigs outward from a central wooden disc, you create a striking focal point. Secure each piece tightly with weatherproof glue and wrap the core with heavy twine for a rustic finish. It looks magnificent hanging against dark wood or brick backgrounds to capture the morning light. Introduce a modern geometric pattern to your garden using a simple frame made of sturdy branches. Intertwine thick jute string in a continuous chevron pattern across the parallel support sticks. This creates a beautiful semi-transparent screen that allows climbing vines to naturally weave through. Mount it securely to add instant texture and contemporary rustic charm to a plain exterior barrier. A classic lattice frame is incredibly easy to construct using overlapping bundles of thin birch twigs. Bind the intersections tightly with cross-hatched twine to ensure structural integrity against wind. You can leave the center open or use it to frame a small potted plant or outdoor mirror. This project beautifully bridges the gap between structured architectural elements and raw, organic nature. Crafting a silhouette of a tree brings a deeply symbolic and artistic element to your backyard sanctuary. Use a flexible branch bent into a perfect circle for the outer rim, securing the ends with twine. Inside the loop, weave intricate root systems and spreading branches using different thicknesses of string. Hang this mesmerizing emblem prominently where it can catch the gentle breeze and spark conversation. Bring whimsical life to your walls by constructing delicate dragonflies out of slender twigs and twine. Select straight sticks for the bodies and curved pieces or looped twine for the delicate wings. Arrange a small cluster of these creatures at dynamic angles to give the illusion of flight. They offer a delightful, playful touch that instantly softens harsh stone walls or tall fences. A starburst motif crafted from minimalist lines offers a striking contrast to lush green foliage. Create a sturdy frame with 4 long twigs crossed in the center to form an 8-pointed star guide. Interlace light-colored twine in expanding concentric octagons to form a beautiful web-like design. The finished craft serves as an eye-catching statement piece that elevates a drab patio wall. Express your love for nature by fashioning a charming heart-shaped outline filled with parallel twig pieces. First, bend a flexible vine or wrap heavy wire into a heart shape to act as your sturdy perimeter. Next, cut small twigs to size and glue them vertically inside the shape to fill the canvas completely. Wrap the top hanger loop with thick twine to add a beautiful finished look to the piece. A rustic ladder hanging flat against a wall provides an excellent structure for displaying small decorations. Construct the side rails and rungs from thick, sturdy fallen branches for an authentic woodland aesthetic. Use heavy-duty twine knots to bind the rungs securely so they can bear weight safely. It is the perfect vertical platform for hanging small terracotta pots or air plants. Personalize your outdoor living area by making a large monogram letter representing your family name. Cut the letter base out of thick cardboard or thin plywood, then wrap it entirely in natural twine. Accent the front of the letter by gluing small polished twig slices in a mosaic pattern. Hang it near your patio seating area to create a cozy, customized entryway feel. Mandalas add a sense of peace and meditative calmness to any outdoor meditation spot or garden corner. Arrange several equal-length twigs like spokes on a bicycle wheel, tying them firmly at the absolute center. Spiral a continuous strand of colorful or natural twine over and under the spokes working outwards. This mesmerizing pattern creates a wonderful focal point when mounted at eye level on an expansive wall. While traditional chimes focus on sound, this wall-mounted frame emphasizes visual movement and organic textures. Hang a thick, interesting driftwood branch horizontally against your wall using sturdy twine loops. Suspend vertical strands of twine from the branch, threading small twigs and polished stones along each string. The gentle movement of the suspended elements adds a calming, dynamic rhythm to a static garden fence. This ingenious project combines wall art with practical planting space for small herbs or air plants. Build a flat triangular or pocket-shaped backing frame using thick branches bound together with twine. Weave a dense mesh of twine across the lower half to create a secure, open-faced pouch. Line the inside pocket with coconut coir to hold moss and small, lightweight flora beautifully. Create a charming miniature shelf to display your favorite small garden trinkets or seashells. Use twin parallel vertical branches as the main support brackets mounted directly to your wall surface. Bind flat, thick pieces of wood or split branches horizontally across them using complex twine wraps. This primitive styling offers an enchanting, rustic display piece that updates any plain wall space. An abstract mosaic allows complete creative freedom and yields a truly unique piece of art. Start with a simple square frame made of thick branches tied securely at the corners with twine. Fill the interior space by gluing a chaotic, beautiful puzzle of short, interlocking twig pieces. The resulting abstract texture casting intricate shadows is perfect for enhancing boring garden walls. Mirror art reflects light and makes smaller garden spaces feel significantly larger and more open. Glue a simple round or square mirror onto a piece of backing board for safety and stability. Surround the mirror border with layers of natural twigs, binding them decoratively with rustic jute twine. We hope these ideas inspire your next weekend project, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.